beautiful electric gooseneck kettle, the CUSIMAX Temp Select Drip Kettle. Its full stainless steel design makes this kettle both durable and healthy. There's no plastic contact with the boiling water, and it boils the water fast, with boiling water in just 3 to 5 minutes. Here we go, got instructions, temperature plate that it sits on, the beautiful gooseneck. Oh wow, that is fantastic. And the lid. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And there is the amazing gooseneck. And it boils the water super fast with boiling water in just 3 to 5 minutes. Super practical with 6 accurate temperature presets for perfect temperature. Choose what you drink with one simple touch. Black tea, green tea, coffee, herbal tea and such. So never worry about a burned taste again with the perfect temperature for your beverage automatically achieved. It will also automatically maintain the temperature for 10 to 30 minutes. So no repeat boiling while saving you energy and time. It's got a 360-degree placement, so it works easily at any angle, left-handed or right-handed, and designed for perfect precision pouring with the wonderful gooseneck. The kettle features boil dry and overheat protection to prevent any accident or burns, has a space-saving body and a compact base. The elegant kettle is designed so the cord wraps into the base, reducing counter clutter and more convenient for easy storage when not in use. Whether it's coffee time in the morning, tea time in the afternoon, or milk time for your baby in the night, this beautiful kettle easily satisfies all your needs. Every family should have one. Simple but necessary.
Meet COSORI's smart electric gooseneck kettle. Equipped with endless smart features, it's the perfect kitchen assistant for a refreshing cup of tea or a warm cup of coffee. Simply connect your kettle to the free VSync app to open a new world of possibilities. No matter where you are, you can enjoy full control of your kettle through your smartphone. All you have to do is decide what you're craving: green tea, oolong tea, black coffee, or boiled water for a tasty meal. You can even activate baby formula mode, so your water comes out at the perfect temperature for the little ones. Not satisfied? You can create something new by customizing your own preset with the My Brew feature. You can even schedule it for later, so a warm brew is always ready at the right moment. We'll let you know when the kettle is done boiling. Make life in the kitchen quick and easy with COSORI's smart electric gooseneck kettle.